Welcome back to Learn Japanese Proverbs with AI Art. In this series, we explore timeless Japanese sayings through beautiful illustrations created with the help of AI. Today's proverb is one you might hear during springtime in Japan. Hana Yori Dango, which translates to dumplings over flowers. Literally, it means choosing dumplings over flowers. In other words, favoring food or substance over beauty or elegance. Originally, it was used to tease people who didn't appreciate art or culture and just went for the snacks at events. Over time, this phrase has taken on a broader meaning. Today, it often describes someone who values practicality over appearances, choosing comfort over formality. In Japan, especially during hanami, people use it lightheartedly to describe those more interested in food than cherry blossoms. Personally, I think Hana Yori Dango is a gentle reminder. Life can be busy, and it's easy to focus only on what's practical or necessary. But I want to be someone who doesn't forget to pause and admire the fleeting beauty around me, like cherry blossoms in spring. Imagine you're at a hanami party with friends. While everyone else is admiring the cherry blossoms, you're completely focused on eating yakitori and mochi. Your friend might laugh and say, "Wow, you're totally Hana Yori Dango." Hana Yori Dango, enjoying dumplings isn't a bad thing at all. But having a heart that can appreciate the flowers, too, will surely make life richer. Now, let's review the proverb once more. Hana Yori Dango, dumplings over flowers. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next Japanese proverb.